Want to make amazing short videos without spending hours on editing?
Embrace the present moment and make the most of what you have right now. Sarah, as she navigates a dark, misty forest under the eerie glow of a hidden moon. Shadows whisper secrets of the night, and in the heart of a bustling city, Emily and Jack found solace.
This AI tool automatically writes scripts, create visuals, and edit videos for you just in a click. Like these videos we are now going to create in this video. This AI tool is going to be the next major player in the faceless content domain. You know that creating short videos for different genres, such as horror stories and true crime stories, can be a bit challenging. Even if we use tools like ChatGPT and 11 Labs, we still need to invest some time in editing the video. I understand that many of you are either studying or working, so time is very precious to you. With this new AI tool, you don't have to spend your valuable time because they will handle everything for you from the ground up. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create short videos for YouTube or TikTok using this AI tool. This AI tool is called Auto Shorts. Let me explain why this AI tool is so potent. This AI will handle everything, including script writing, image creation, and editing, and they will upload your videos to your channel with titles and descriptions. Essentially, you don't have to worry about anything. The remarkable part is that all videos generated by this AI tool are unique and original. So you don't have to be concerned about copyright issues. When it comes to monetization, this is a significant concern. Using copyrighted or reused content is not allowed. Auto Shorts will produce unique and original videos every time you use it. With Auto Shorts AI, you can manage multiple YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress or workload. So let's see how this AI functions. First, you need to register for this AI. You can sign up for free. They offer 3 plans. The first one is the starter plan, where you can upload 3 videos per week for only $19.99. Next, we have the daily plan for $39, allowing you to upload 1 video per day. Finally, we have the hardcore plan for $69, which lets you upload 2 videos per day. You don't have to pay for the entire year like with other tools. You can simply try this for a month and see the results. I would recommend the daily plan because for $39, you can get 30 videos a month. With 30 videos, you can easily reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to purchase this plan, use the link in the description. If you want to manage multiple YouTube channels simultaneously, you have this series option. You can create multiple series. For example, let's say you have 2 channels, one for motivational videos and the other for horror stories. You can use this option to create 2 series, one for motivation and the other for horror stories. And this way, you can manage 2 YouTube channels at once. Let's create a video using this tool and see if it's actually worth it. First, you will come to this page where you can connect your YouTube or TikTok page to this AI. Once your video is complete, this AI will upload it to your connected YouTube channel. If you prefer not to do that, you can simply choose the email option and they will send the final output to you. I'm going to select the email option because I would rather upload the video myself. With this drop-down menu, you can select your niche. As you can see, they have included all the trending niches such as scary stories, motivation, random stories, funny stories, philosophy, and much more. You can even enter your custom niche and they will create a video for it. For this example, let's try a scary story video. I'm going to select scary stories from this list. The next step is to choose a suitable AI voice for our video. This is the only drawback I've noticed with this AI. It only offers a few AI voices, but I hope they will add more options soon. From these voices, you need to select an appropriate one. Since our video is about a scary story, we should choose a deep and fitting voice for a horror story. I think this voice would be suitable. I will select it. Remember to choose a good voice because the voiceover plays a crucial role in making a video go viral on YouTube or TikTok. Then you can select a preferred language. As you can see, they offer around 20 languages. So if you plan to target an audience from a specific country, you can use this option to change the video's language. If you want to target a global audience, use English. That's all, folks. Once you've entered all this information, you can create your video. After this process is complete, click the Create a Series button and it will begin generating the video series. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes to produce your video. While your video is being created, you can see all the details here, the title of your video and the full script. Now let's check the final result of this AI. As you can see, they've even made a thumbnail for this video. Let's play it as the
stumbled upon a locked door she had never noticed before. With trembling hands, she turned the rusty knob, revealing an empty room, oddly cold and filled with an unsettling silence. As she stepped inside, she noticed a faded drawing on the wall, a child with hollow eyes, smiling eerily. Suddenly, the door slammed shut behind her. Clara felt a cold breath on her neck and turned to see a shadowy figure, The same Sarah as she navigates a dark, misty forest under the eerie glow of a hidden moon. Shadows whisper secrets of the night, and a cold shiver runs down her spine as a
Wow, I didn't expect that result at all. If you've seen my previous videos, you have a clear idea of how challenging it is to create AI images to match a video script, but this AI tool has nailed it. All the images in that video perfectly match the script, and the captions were generated with a cool style and smooth sliding animations. It's perfect. Additionally, they used zoom in and zoom out transitions for the images, and the transitions between the images were flawless. Finally, they added background sound effects to match the transitions, enhancing the video's quality. Let's say you don't like the story or the script of this video. If you click this small button, you can create a completely new script for this video. Now, let's create another video for the motivation niche and see the result. This time I'm going to create a motivational video. So I will select the niche as motivation and choose a suitable AI voice from the options. I think this first voice would be good for a motivational video. Let's select it. I will choose English as the language and create this video. As you can see, they've made this video with an impressive script and a cool thumbnail. Let's watch the video.
Success is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the present moment and make the most of what you have right now. With determination and resourcefulness, you can achieve greatness. Remember, it's not about where you begin, but how you move forward. Stay focused, work hard, and let your passion drive you towards your goals. In the heart of a bustling city, Emily and Jack found solace in the quiet corners of a charming little cafe. Emily, nursing her cappuccino, gazed out the window, lost in thought about a love that once was. Jack, on the other side of the cafe, felt a strange pull towards her. Their eyes met, and for a moment, time seemed to stand still. Jack, with a warm smile, approached her, feeling an inexplicable connection. They struck up a conversation, sharing stories and laughter, both unaware that this serendipitous encounter would change their lives forever. The cafe, with its cozy ambiance and soft music, became the backdrop of a love.
I think the images they've used and the voice are great, but the only issue I see is that they have used complex words and sentences in this script. If they had used simpler and more natural words and sentences, this video would be 100% perfect. But it's fine, you can change the script if you don't like the current one. So if you use this AI, you can speed up your video uploading process, especially if you don't have much time to edit videos. This is a good tool for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, so like it without any further ado and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars for more amazing videos like this. Now, a day's AI influencers are crushing YouTube, and most of the people are using them for YouTube automation. Watch these videos to learn how to create AI influencers free of cost, and also visit channel for the playlist of YouTube automation, where we have exposed YouTube automation from head to tail.